A rusted out outer cowl panel can cause many issues in preventing dirt and debris from getting into other unwanted parts of the vehicle. Having that issue can bring upon more headaches and cost to restoring your vehicle you don't want. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 to 72 GM A-body outer cowl panels. These are sold individually or as a pair to suit your needs. Each outer cowl panel is manufactured from heavy 20-gauge steel for strength and authenticity. At the end of the production line, each panel is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.